advertising will get more customers and it's likely to get more revenues. So you use games for all of that. Okay. Now, let's put all that we have said so far into practice. All the strategies, all the things I've said, let's put them to practice. We are going to start playing a game. So this is one of them. It's examples of one short game. Idris, please read it.
Sure. In a one-shot game, if you advertise and your rival advertises, you each earn 5 million in profits. If neither of you advertise, your rival will make 4 million and you will make $2 million. If you advertise and your rival does not advertise, you will make $10 million and your rival will make $3 million. If your rival advertises and you do not you will make $1 million and your rival will make $3 million. Write the above game in normal form. Do you have a dominant strategy? Does your rival have a dominant strategy? What is the Nash equilibrium for the one-shot game? How much would you be willing to bribe your rival not to advertise?
Okay, so the last one is where you want the regulators to keep their eyes on. This one. So much of the work is here. This one. Okay, guys, play the game. Do it, let me see. Play it, let me see.
Okay.
Play the game, guys. Let me see. Try it on your own. And then when you finish, we can all do it. Play it in your room. On a paper. You just try it. Don't be scared. Try it. Up.
Yes, Doc. Okay. So writing down the above game in normal form. When both of us advertise, we get $5 million each. When none of us advertise, I get $2 million, my rival gets $4 million. That's more. And if I advertise and my rival doesn't advertise, I get $10 million, my rival gets $3 million. And if my rival advertises and I don't, my rival gets $3 million and I get $1 million. Then the next question says, do I have any dominant strategy? No, I don't. Does my rival have any dominant strategy? No, my rival doesn't. And then what is the Nash equilibrium for the one-shot game? It's when both of us advertise. We both get $5 million each. And it says, how much would you be willing to bribe your rival not to advertise? I'll be willing to bribe my rival $4 million, the exact amount that my rival will receive for not advertising, for both of us not advertising. That will only mean that I will also go behind his back to advertise. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Who else? Gifty, your hand is up.
Yes, sir. Please, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Auntie Gifty.
Sir, please, I'm also going to try. So the first one is saying, do I have a dominant strategy? Of which I would say yes, because if I should advertise, then I'll be getting 10 million and my rival will be getting 3 million. And then the second one is saying, does my rival have a dominant strategy? I say yes to, because if they advertise and I don't, the first one was if I should advertise and they don't, I'll be gaining 10 million in profits. They will be getting 3 million. But if they do and I don't, I'll be getting 1 million and they will be getting 3 million. Now, what is the Nash equilibrium? That is the 5 million each profit for both parties if we advertise. And then the last one is asking, how much will I be willing to bribe my rival for them not to advertise? I would say, since I have a dominant strategy, I might be willing to give 2 million out of my 10 million for them to get 5 million and I get 7 million. My take on that.
Thank you, Auntie Gifty. The last person. John, your hand is up.
Yes, Prof. I think I agree with Gifty largely on all the legs, because I took it from the second question, the second one, whether there's a dominant strategy. And I said yes, because I will advertise when he does not and make 10 million as my dominant strategy. And then the following one is his dominant strategy is when he advertises and I don't. So yes, he has a dominant strategy of 3 million. And then where both of us, with respect to the equilibrium, where both of us advertise and make 5 million each. My dilemma there is what we may, you said that the dominant strategy, the equilibrium is that the one who is willing to win must lose something. So I was not too sure of what that person will be losing. But I still say that the Nash equilibrium will mean that both of us will have 5 million. Now, when it comes to the last one, I'll be willing to offer him 2 million because for him not to advertise, because the difference is that the fact says that that's the last paragraph, if you advertise, if your rival advertises and you do not, that's me, I'll make 1 million and he will make 3. So I'll let him know that I'm giving him 2 million so that he stays away. Because if he advertises, I will also advertise. And as soon as I advertise, I'll kick in my dominant strategy, and and he will be the loser. So I'll be willing to give him 2 million so that he'll stay cool. 2 million so that he'll stay cool and not come close to advertise. But as soon as he kicks in, I also kick in. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. The three of you have done well. Done well. That's fine. There's one thing that the three of you got right, which is the Nash equilibrium. That's fine. So you've done well. That one, all of you got it right. And then there are parts that you got some part correct, not fully correct, but at least you've done well. Especially how much you are willing to give. You said 2 million, Gift also said 2 million. And then Idris said 4 million. The 2 million is not bad, it's good. So if the score there is 5/5 for that question of how much, that is the last question. How much are you willing to give? You get 2/5. Those of you said 2 million, yeah. So it's fine. Now let's all of us do it. I'm going to the whiteboard. So you may want to take a screenshot so that you can follow it when we are solving it. Please, have you taken the screenshot? Hello?
So please, we can't see your board yet.
You can't see my screen. No, the question on the board. Take a screenshot before I move it from the screen so that
Oh, okay. Okay,
when
sir.
I go out, you still have access to the question. Are you finished? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Idrisu. Okay, let's move away from here. I'm going to the whiteboard. The Word document that you call the whiteboard. Okay. So I did this one with your colleagues in Kumasi last time. So, but because I want to teach you, I will redo it.
Okay.
Otherwise, if I show you the answer, you may not understand it. Or I should show you the answer and then we close. Should you do together
No,
or
no.
just
Sir,
We
please,
should-
let's do it together.
Let's do it
together.
Okay. So the first one, you need to represent the case this way. So it's the players. Players. The players are two. You as you, and then what? Your rival. This can mean anything. They can be KNUSC, Legon, or Vodafone, MTN, or NDC, MPP. Do you understand me, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, we understand.
And then you have the strategies. You write them down. You should be able to identify the strategies. The strategies are what? Advertise or don't advertise. Then you say the key to the game. Say first number in each cell is for you. And the second number is for what? Rival. So in each cell, now you have to give a key to your own game. You have to give a key. If you say you want to make the first number for rival, you say it. Now you have to be consistent throughout. You have to be consistent. The key is consistent throughout. Then you draw it. So you have, say, insert. Insert a game. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is to 3. Physically. You can call this side rival. And then the other side, you can call it you. So you is here. And then this are your strategies. So the strategies for you are what? Advertise or don't advertise. These are the strategies for you. The strategies for rival, advertise or don't advertise. Good. If you're able to draw this and it says stop work, you get some scores. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ay. Engineer, where are you? The guy who sat on my left, the black guy. Is he with us? What is the name?
Kenny Yeboah.
Where is he? Or he's in Abirikuma, trying to monitor the results.
I don't know.
Please don't go near there, yo. You want to be alive, please. Don't go and then even talk about them. Just come to class.
Okay. Sure, Doc.
Those people, they are in their own world. You don't know what they put into their nose and into their mouth. Say appetition, say powder, say they are you. So please when he's meeting, tell him I say you shouldn't go there.
Okay, sure, Doc.
I think it's now in Kumasi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Once you have done this, the first sentence, read the first sentence, Idrisu.
Okay, from my snap. Just a minute, sir. Okay. The first sentence will be in one short game, if you advertise and your rival advertises, you will earn $5 million in profits.
Okay, so look at it.
You will each earn.
Hold on. Look here. I'm going to give the quadrant names. I'm going to call this one first. I'm going to call this one second. And I'm going to call this one third. These names are not part of the game. I'm just putting them there just to ask you questions. So the first sentence you have read, where should I put the figure? He said that if you advertise and your rival advertises, where would they meet?
In the first quadrant.
Good. Is there nobody with a question there? Is there anybody with a challenge that does not understand that they will meet in the first quadrant? There's nobody with a question. So I'll clean it and write here 5 million, then comma 5 million, like this. So if you advertise and your rival advertises, the two of you will meet in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant. Good.
Be careful.
Do you know, hey, student, this person, I will deal with this person. Somebody just sent me a WhatsApp. Somebody that I have been assigned to me to supervise. You have never seen me before. And you send me topics which are not good. I've advised you to revise the topic. Today he sent me one which I have helped him to modify, and I've told him to go ahead and do it. Do you know what he has sent to me? That
No,
I should get somebody to do the thesis for him at a fee.
On Ferrari.
No. I'll inform the HOD. They should give me a new supervisor. I can't.
He begs. He or she begs.
Master, don't put your mouth into this. Don't beg for the person. Most so name also. Okay, tell me so a bank manager.
Bank manager. Dog send the school.
He hasn't. You don't know. You don't know who I am. You haven't seen. Hey, I will tell the HOD I can't supervise this person. They should give you a new supervisor, and I will write why I can't supervise him because he tried bribing a public officer. And you will see that will be the end of his degree at KNUST.
To err is human, to forgive is divine.
What's it?
To err is human, to forgive is divine.
Madam, this is not to err is human. To err is human is a bua who went to Yaman so. We need the home pa and our or yeah, unim messages on my asking first one the topic in Basabi or by Miss no, this is not a reasonable topic. On phone call for say I'm a bank manager. I'm saying, Master, if you're a bank manager, does that mean that you shouldn't have a good topic? And then what the topic about now, two of them now. My help one find it. It's okay. Go and do this one. Then you send a message that I should go and look for somebody to do it for you at a fee. Madam.
Hey.
You decided to do away with it.
Oh, it's unfortunate.
So please, this one there is failed strategy.
Say, Ebiana bro from na one putting a year. Ebiana was some person while me not on your be. And on no, I come straight Sam into
Auntie Margaret, me shall where sad and move on.
Dog, maybe the message is for somebody.
Master, you guys, do push no make me angry. I'll end the letter. You should not make me angry, but tell me these things. Yo.
Say you sorry, say we pay them inside. Me
But you people know me. Haven't you seen me before?
Oh, we have.
We've seen you.
I taught you ethics, and you expect me to break the rule.
This is speech and lemon.
Please, beg.
Let me calm down. I'm a bit angry now. Let me calm down.
Calm down. Oh, calm down.
Dog, calm down. Dog, look for some water and drink.
Find some water and drink. Why?
You see the class people, no, because when you know when you say which my is anti-mo patch. Mama man yes how.
Yes, I chikra. Dog, chinaso.
A background in Amoya. Now they are about for.
Can we stop the comments and let's proceed with the class?
Doc is getting.
Idris, can you please read the second sentence?
Okay, Doc. The second sentence says, if neither of you advertise, your rival will make $4 million and you will make $2 million.
If neither of you advertise, your rival will make 4 and you will make 2. Where will they meet?
In the fourth quadrant.
The class, do you all agree?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, Doc.
And what figure should come first? 2
What's the
million.
figure again? I think
2
the
million.
highest.
2 million should come first.
Thank you. 2
Okay.
million should come first, like this,
Yes, then
and
4
then
million.
the 4 million. Is it right for me to write 4 million before the 2 million?
No.
No,
Good.
sir.
Thank you. You read the next one.
Okay. If you advertise and your rival does not, you will make $10 million and your rival will make $3 million.
Okay. You make what?
$10 million.
Which one should I write first?
10 million.
10 million.
10 million. Your baby is giving part of the answers.
Yes,
And then you have $3 million.
$3 million.
Okay. Okay. The last one is
The last one is if your rival advertises and you do not, you will make $1 million and your rival will make $3 million.
okay. Your rival will make 1, and then you will make what? 3 million.
You will make 1 and your rival will make 3.
1, the rival will make 3.
Okay, so this is how you represent the game in a normal form. This is the question 1, the A part. This is how you represent the game in a normal form. Can you please look at it? If there's any challenge, let me know before you continue. If you have any question regarding how it is constructed.
Say, please, so the 4, the 2 million and then the 4 million. Did you say the 2 million will come first or the 4 million will come first?
Yeah, it's 2 million coming first and the 4 million second. And I was trying to ask you, is it correct if I put the 4 million first? And you guys responded by saying no.
No.
Yeah, so your answer is correct. Your answer is that 2 million should come first and the 4 million is second because the 2 million belongs to who? You.
You.
To me. Oh, okay.
The 2 million is for you. The 4 million is for rival. And the key says that in each set, the first number is for who? For you.
You.
Okay. Okay.
Any other question? Any question regarding the game? Is it fine? How we structure it before I move on to the next one? Okay. If you don't have a question, that is fine. Let's move to the B or the question 2, the B part. Idris, can you please read the B?
Okay, the B. Do you have a dominant strategy?
Okay, so we are on the U. Bismarck, your hand is up. Is there any issue? Bismarck Cobain.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to ask, sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, please. I can hear you.
So with the table, I was asking if, because when I was doing I did a table 2. I just did 2 tables. That was me and the rival in a table form. So I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes that states the adverts, and both parties doing the advert, and the other one to no one is doing the advert, and the other side only me doing the advert, and the other table to only my driver also doing the advert. But your table to, I don't know if the table I did was okay, because I did a table for just me and the driver. But if this is like I be below many so.
Okay. This is it. It means you are learning, eh? That's good. Because their decisions are interdependent, all of them need to be on the same table. They shouldn't have two tables. Is that okay? So that you can see how they are interacting to make decisions. You should have just one table.
Okay, sir.
Putting them in two tables will not help you in terms of knowing how they are crisscrossing, how they are getting the nice equilibrium, and all the other issues. So it is all the time appropriate that you put them in one table.
Because when I
Hannah,
did my two tables, I knew the
talk.
be 5 and 5.
Yes, but it is there are other questions that you shall solve, and you see that if it is one table, it enhances the understanding and then the decisions quicker. So you are going to solve the other ones, and you see why you're supposed to get one table. Is that okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hannah Alegbe, is your hand is up?
Yes, sir. So please, I want to find out if you can interchange the positions on the table.
Yes, you can put you up here. You can put driver down here.
All right, sir. Thank
you. Yeah. Okay. So we are now going to identify dominant strategies, Question 2 or the B. Dominant strategies. How do you identify them? Look at it. You. If you advertise, if you advertise, Idrisu, what are your cash flows?
If I advertise, either if you both advertise and they advertise, I get 5 million.
No. You alone. Focus on yourself.
Okay.
You. Look at
10 million.
Advertise is here.
Yes. Yes.
Advertise. This is for you. If you advertise, what are your figures?
5 million and
5 million and 10 million.
Hold on. Say it about one by one. Idrisu, if you advertise, what are your figures?
5 million and 10 million.
No.
Okay, so I'll try it then. If I advertise, I get 10 million.
If you advertise, you get 5 million. What are your figures?
5 million, 10 million.
Say it again.
5 million and 10 million.
No.
Okay.
5 million and 5 million.
No. Look at it well.
1 million, sir. 1 million and 10.
No.
5 million and 3 million.
7 million.
No, look at it. The figures are on the board. Look,
5 million or 10 million.
5 million.
Good. Abraham, say it again, Musa.
5 million or 10 million.
5 million or 10 million.
Okay.
So the word is all. Okay.
5 million or 10 million. Thank you, Musa.
The other one.
You get 5 million or 10 million. These two figures, which one is the least? Did you, Musa?
5 million.
5 million.
Please, I want one person so that we can have an orderly class. Hey, now the class has moved from 20 to 40. What happened to the size? Do you have new people in the classroom? Or Kumasi people have just joined us? Please, class, hello. Can you please all mute your mic and allow Musa to answer the question? Please, I beg you all. So that we can have orderly class. If you have anything to say, you raise up your hand and I'll give you the chance to talk, please.
Emmanuel, please mute your mic. Emmanuel.
Emmanuel Beko, and then Maria, can you please mute your mic? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Musa, Idrisu.
Yes, Doc.
So you have, if you advertise, you have 5 million or 10 million.
Yes,
is that correct?
Correct, Doc.
Which of these two figures is the least?
$5 million is the least.
Good. So at least, I hope I listen carefully. At least you are guaranteed 5 million if you advertise, correct?
Correct, Doc.
So you say that you are guaranteed 5 million. $5 million. Remember, the least figure is what you are guaranteed. The least figure of the two is what you are guaranteed.
Yes.
Good. So if you advertise at least, if for nothing at all, you get what? 5 million. Good. Now, remember, we are trying to identify dominant strategy. Let me even write it here. Okay. Now, if you don't advertise, what are your figures, Musa Idrisu?
Yes, if we don't, we have 1 million or 2 million.
You have 1 million or 2 million. Hey, look at me. What is that? 2 million. These two figures, which one is the least?
$1 million.
Good. So you are guaranteed the least.
Yes.
What it means that if for nothing at all, you get what?
$1 million.
Good. Do you all understand it up to this point? Okay, there's no question. Now, you then have to compare the two guarantees figures. You compare what?
The two guaranteed figures.
Okay, so the two guaranteed figures are, if you advertise, you are guaranteed 5. If you don't advertise, you are guaranteed what?
1.
Which of these two figures is the best?
5.
5. Remember, these are profits. So this, because of that, I say 5 is better than 1. 5 dominate 1 because 5 is greater than 1. You see, 5 million dominates 1 million because 5 million, 5 million is greater than 1 million. You see? 5 dominates 1. What it means is that even if you are asleep and they wake you up and they ask you, $5 million and $1 million, which one do you want? Idris, what do you say?
$5 million.
And where did you get the 5 million from?
From advertising.
Good. So we say that your dominant strategy is what?
To advertise.
Advertise. Hence, you have a dominant strategy, i.e., advertise. So what it means that if you advertise, you are guaranteed 5, which dominates the don't advertise outcome. And because it dominates it, you say that you have a dominant strategy. You have a dominant strategy. My wife was calling me, so I had to listen to her. Sorry. What am I? So you are saying that you as in Musa, you have a dominant strategy,
Yes.
of advertise, meaning if you advertise, you get at least 5 million, which is better than the least that you get if you don't what? Advertise. So that is how you identify your dominant strategy. Now look at, apart from that, look at this one. Apart from that reason, look at this. If you don't advertise, look at the highest that you get. How much is that? If you don't advertise, the highest you get is what?
2 million.
You get 2 million. If you don't advertise, the highest you get is what?
2 million.
Now, that 2 million, this 2 million, let me highlight it. You see, it's lower than the least you will get if you advertise. Look at 5 million. 5 million is the least you get if you advertise. And that is higher than the highest you get if you don't advertise. Can you see it? So if you look at it in both ways, to advertise is a dominant strategy for you. Is that okay?
Yes, Doc.
Okay. So how you identify the dominant strategy is this. You first of all have to write the two strategies. I'm going over how you identify the strategies, the dominant one. You first of all have to write the strategy down and identify the figures. And in the exams, don't write end. You don't say end 10. You don't write it this way. No. I hope you did logic at SS. Especially if you went to St. Mary's. You did logic. So it is or. So you write the strategy and then you write the two figures. And then you identify the list of the two of them. And you write it down. You do it for the other strategy. You identify the lists of that strategy, the two figures, and then you write it down. And then you compare. You compare the two guarantee figures. The guarantee figure for this strategy is 5. The guarantee figure for this strategy is 1. Then you ask yourself, which one is higher? Which one dominates? The one that is higher dominates. See? So you choose the highest one. Okay. So once 5 dominates 1, you say that you have a dominant strategy of advertise, because if you advertise, that's where you get the 5. Emmanuel, I heard your voice. You wanted to ask a question. What is it?
No, sir.
Okay. C, point C or question C, that is rival. Read it now. Read the question for C.
Does your rival have a dominant strategy?
So you write rival, the strategies of rival. If rival advertise, what are the figures?
5 million or 3 million?
5 million or 3 million. Which one is the least?
3 million is guaranteed.
So it's guaranteed the least, which is 3 million. Let him push it down because of the thing. So if rival doesn't, what are the figures for rival if he doesn't?
3 million or $4 million?
Hold on, I want to see if I can reduce the font size so that it will all fit onto the same page for you to see it.
Look, I think the font above the table too.
Okay. And even reduce the spaces. Make it like this. Okay. If rival doesn't advertise, what are the figures?
$3 million or $4 million?
Okay, 3 million or 4 million. Which one is the least?
3 million is guaranteed.
So it's guaranteed 3 million. Now, the two guarantee figures are what?
3 million.
3 million, 3 million. Which one dominates the other?
None dominates the other since they are equal.
Good. So rival does not have what? A dominant strategy. All of you can see that 3 does not dominate 3. Or is there anywhere where 3 dominate 3?
None.
Unless it is a certain company or a certain household where you have 3 siblings for one wife, another 3 siblings for one wife, and then the other 3 dominate the other. Okay, but 3 does not dominate what? 3. They are all what? Equal. Okay, so the rival does not have a dominant strategy. So that since I want to reduce the font size. Auntie Margaret, your hand is up.
Yes, sir. I'm a bit confused.
Okay, let me explain. Auntie Margaret, see, I want to highlight this.
Yeah.
The guarantee figure here, if rival advertise, is what? 3. Is that correct, Auntie?
If
rival advertise, what is the least that you will get among between the 5 or 3? What's the least figure that you will get?
Oh, okay, that's 3 million.
Good. And if he doesn't, what is the least that you will get?
3 million.
Okay. So the two of them. The two of them are equal. This is 3 and this is 3. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And because of that, none of them dominate the other. The two strategies, none of them dominate the other. Because what you are guaranteed in each is equal. Is that okay? What
Yes,
you are
sir.
what you are guaranteed on the advertise is equal to what you are guaranteed if you don't what? Advertise. So none of them dominates. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
So instead of saying 3 million equals to 3 million, none of the strategies dominates the other. None of the strategies dominate. You see? So rival does not have a dominant strategy. Rival does not have a dominant strategy. If rival does not have a dominant strategy, then what strategy is he having? You see that, look at it. The two of them, the two strategies, none of them stands out. So this is a worst case scenario. So in the worst case scenario, if I give you the chance, which of these two will you choose?
Push the 5-3. The advertise.
The advertise. Remember, before you make the choice, remember, these are profits. So you have taken away costs. You have taken away costs if you advertise. You have taken away costs if you don't advertise.
No, I will not advertise.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Emmanuel, what did you say?
Yeah.
Emmanuel. Eliano, your hand is up.
Sir, I will not advertise.
I will not advertise.
Why? Explain.
Okay.
Why?
Because
Yes,
of the because of the cost elements.
I say I will not
That
advertise, sir. Because in
But
advertisement, I will
hello,
point.
Eliano.
Okay.
yes, sir.
But I just explained to you that the figures here, all the cost elements have been taken away. So
Okay.
these are all profits. Look at the question. These are all profits.
So whether I advertise or not, I whether I advertise or not, I'll still get the 3 million. Is that it?
No. What it means is that if you don't advertise, the cost element of not advertising has been taken away, and the figures there are profits. Is that okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I get
So if you take advertise, the figures there are if you take advertise, the figures there are all profit figures. If you take don't advertise, the figures there are all profit figures. There's no cost element in it to say that, oh, if I don't advertise, I will not incur a cost. No, all the cost elements have been taken away. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I get it, sir.
So now you can make your decision.
I will advertise, sir.
Why would you advertise?
There's a possibility that I might not enter into the worst case scenario, which I might get the 5 if I advertise.
No, you are already in the worst case scenario, and that's why you are choosing the. Hello, all of you, listen. Can you please mute your mic? Can you please mute your mic, all of you, for me to explain? Can you please mute your mic for me to explain? Remember, you don't have a dominant strategy. That's rival. Rival does not have a dominant strategy. So rival is in the worst case scenario. So in this worst case scenario, which of them is the best? Meaning, in the midst of these unfortunate two outcomes, which one of them should rival choose? Because remember, 3 does not dominate 3. 3, which you will get if you advertise, and 3, if you get if you don't advertise. None of them dominate the other. So you are in the worst case scenario. If that's the case, which of them should you choose? For example, do you understand what I've asked?
Yes.
So which of them should you choose?
No,
Raise
can I
up
come?
your hand. Musa, keep quiet. Let the rest also raise up their hands. Liberia, Deborah, talk. Deborah.
Hello, say.
Yes.
I will advertise because maybe my company hasn't attained a certain growth in the market yet. So in an attempt to advertise, it will bring my company into the limelight, and then I will get patronage, which will then affect the growth of my company. Thank you.
Okay, that's another dimension. Maria, your hand is up. I want you to use the figures on the board to answer the question. Deborah, yeah. Maria, your hand, is it, how do you pronounce your name? Is it Maria or Marian? I think it's Maria. Maria, your hand is up. Or Maria. Can you please unmute yourself, Maria? Oh. Maria. Maybe she's not hearing me. Abraham, Father Abraham.
Yes, sir, Doc. I will advertise. Because
Why?
if I advertise, I will make $5 million. So there's a need for me to advertise.
You make 5 million or what?
Or $3 million.
So so continue.
Therefore, the 5 million is more than the 3 million. So I will go ahead and do advert.
Okay, you are right, but I wanted you to say more, but you have made a good attempt. Thank you. Another person who has hand is up. Let me check them. Eliano, your hand is up again.
Yes, sir. So, comparing advertising with not advertising, the highest I can make is 5 million if I advertise. And then if I don't advertise, it will be 4 million. So I'd rather choose the best from the West.
Okay, thank you so much. And that ends it. I'm going to use Eliano's answer to conclude it. Eliano, thank you so much. You see, all of you look on the board. I'm going to cancel something. You see that the guarantee figures are the same. 3 million, 3 million. So when you're going to make a decision, the 3 millions should no longer be considered because they are the same. In making a choice, because now you're in the worst case scenario where your the two guarantee figures are the same. In making a decision to choose a strategy, you should now consider the other figures and forget about the guarantee figures because the guarantee figures are the same. So you more or less have to cancel the guarantee figures. They are no longer of consequences because they are the same. So I'll cancel this one. You say I'll cancel this 3 million. And it is also equal to this one. So I'll cancel it. So the guarantee figures, because they are the same, they are no longer of consequences to your decision that you want to make. Even though that is what you consider in the first case, but in this case, they are the same. So they are no longer of consequences. Indeed, you are in a worst case scenario. And therefore, consider the other options. And when you consider the other scenario, you will see that 5 is better than what? 4. What it means is that if you are lucky, remember this time around, you are not guaranteed. You are not guaranteed. But if you are lucky, you get what? 5, which is better than what? 4.
4.
Remember this time around, you are not guaranteed. But if you are what?
Lucky.
If you are lucky, you get 5, which is better than 4. So the decision that you are now making is that you are covering up the 3 and then covering up this other 3 because they are the same. Indeed, you can give them the same color. You can give them the same color because they are the same. This is yellow. This is also what? Yellow. They are the same. So they are not of consequences to the decision anymore. It is the other figures that you have to consider. And the other figures, 5 is better than 4. So what it means that even though you are not guaranteed 5, but if you are lucky, you get 5. So you want to advertise. You want to advertise. You see, you want to advertise. Let me ask you a question. In the MPP, who is guaranteed? Do you have a dominant strategy? Is Baomia a dominant strategy or a secure one? Joyce MFA.
Dog. I think he's a dominant strategy.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Marty. So what it means is that the rival will also advertise. So you see that hence rival has Musa, your hand is up. A secure strategy.
Okay, that's what I wanted to say.
Of what?
Of
advertise. Of advertise.
Hello, Doc.
Yes, madam.
Doc, please. So, can I also come from the other side of the? It's not an argument. So,
of the eye, you can
okay,
come.
Okay. So, Doc, I'm trying to analyze it from this angle too. If we go for the 3 million for each, that would be the least. If I advertise or do not advertise, I get 3 million. It is guaranteed. But then if I advertise, I know that I have an added advantage. It can be in the long term. So I'm thinking that because the 5 and the 4, I'm thinking that it is the maximum. You can get it, you can get there or not get there. But if I come from the 3 or come from the angle that if I advertise or do not advertise, I still get the 3. But in the long term, advertising will give me more publicity and in the end is going to get people the awareness that I want for people to either draw near to my organization or not. I think it will also boost the if it's income or my dominance. Is it not possible to come from that angle too?
Yeah, that is okay. But we want you to use the figures to make the decision. What you're saying is not bad. It's very fine. It's good. Because to advertise will give you long-term visibility among what is the name? The customers, which is very fine. But this is a game, and you wanted to use the figures. What you have said is very good. It's a marketing strategy, which is not bad. But at the end of the day, use the figures to conclude. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank
If
you.
if you have challenges, okay, that's fine. Once you understand it, that's good. Now,
I don't have a choice, sir.
no. You have a choice. Once you understand it, that's fine. Yeah. The last question is, read it. Our time is up. It's 4 o'clock.
Okay. How much would you be willing to bribe your rival not to advertise?
How much? You guys, hey, there's a dominant, there's one, this is D, which is the Nash equilibrium,
Yes. What is the Nash equilibrium for the one shot game?
So the Nash equilibrium is this. Let's go to the game. Look at this. U is choosing this one. Advertise. And rival is also choosing advertise. Where would they meet?
In the first cell.
In the first cell. Thank you. So that's your Nash equilibrium. So I'm going to write it. The Nash equilibrium is given as advertise. Look at how I'm writing it. Advertise. If somebody did not come for letters, I will know how the person will write it. And that you will see it. If somebody did not come for letters, you will see how the person will write it. Now the payoffs are what? The payoffs because 5 million colon 5 million. That's it. This one, I think the 3 of you who solved the question at the beginning, you got it right. And then the last one, the E. How much are you willing to bribe? What is the answer?
I said $4 million.
And then John Mark and then the other lady, what is the name of?
Gifty.
And Gifty said 2 million. Okay. The first answer you should write is that bribery is a crime. So it's not something you encourage, but this is an academic exercise. So you are writing the answer. Like this guy doing thesis is trying to bribe what to Zoom. See here. We are going to analyze the figures. You guys said that you should give him 2 million. What it means is that he's going to have 8 million. And then this party man will have 3 million plus 2 million. Is that correct? Is that correct? Musa, what are you?
Sir. Well, no, I didn't agree with that, so that's why I'm fine.
No. But you answer. You said you give him 4 million. That one is wrong.
Okay.
So that one, that's why I didn't even go there. But let's say it's 2 million.
Okay. Not to advertise.
Okay, Musa, let's analyze yours first. You said you should give him 4 million. So if you give him 4 million, let me put your 4 million here. You have 6 million.
Look, I've seen it. I've seen it clearly now.
You have 6 million, and then your
have
3 million plus
that's
4 million. Is that how you Musa want?
No, that's a bad business.
That you get 6 and he will get 7.
No.
Okay, that's why I didn't go there to your own.
Okay.
Now let's analyze this other one. You said that you give the person 2 million. So the person will get a total of what?
Of 5 million.
Have you made a person's position better than before?
If you don't. No.
So why do you think the person will agree? The person was getting 5. The two of you were here. Let me highlight it. The two of you were in the green, where the two of you were prepared to go. Now you want to move the person to the purple, to this side. And now you say you give the person 2 million. Have you made the person position better than before?
No.
So why would the person agree?
Okay.
So how much should you give the person?
We'll give the person 3.
You give the person
2.5.
2.5. Okay. With more than power.
It should go beyond the price.
You give the person 3, so you get you get this. Okay, 3 is with 3. Well, you get 3 plus 3 is 6. So this is what you give the person. I'm going to write it down.
Okay.
You give the person X such that S is greater than 2, but less or equal to what? 3. Just as somebody said, you give the person 2.5, like this. So you give the person X such that X is greater than 2, but less than what? Less or equal to 3. So you not give the person figure that is 2, but something above 2. And then the figure should also not be above 3. Should be equal or less than 3. And so you give the person X, say that S is greater than 2, but is less or equal to what?
3.
Is there any question here? And
No.
that ends.
Sir, please, the 2 and the 3 figures, did we pick it from the table as in?
Yes, look here. You pick here. The two of you are in the green, 5 and 5. And you want to bribe the person and move the person to the purple. Do you understand me? Auntie?
Yes, sir, I'm following.
You want to bring the person to the purple. Okay, so how much are you prepared to give the person? So the person will change his mind and join you at the place of the purple. You see? Already the person was getting 5. So if you give the person 2 more, he will still get 5. You say that the position of the person has not changed. You have not made the person better than before. So if you give the person 2, he will not agree. Because the person will just get 5, which is equal to the 5 he was getting previously. So you have to give the person a figure that will motivate the person to agree with you.
Okay.
Please, you understand me?
Yes, please.
And that figure we are saying that should be between 2 and 3. It should be between 2 and 3, meaning you should give him a figure which is greater than 2, but less than what? 3. You should give him a figure which is maybe greater than 2, like maybe 2.5, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, or 3. The maximum you should give the person is 3. And they
Okay,
give to
sir.
your hand.
Thank you.
And they give to your hand is up.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, for examination purposes, I was going to ask. You earlier said we should, with the E, when answering, we should say bribe is a crime. So in exams, are we to write the bribe is a crime, or we should solve the question as it is now?
Okay, so this lecture is being recorded. That is why you have to make that disclaimer that bribery is what? A crime. Do you understand me?
Okay, sir. So we do that before solving this.
Yeah, you can write it in the booklet.
And still solve, sir.
And so
So I was saying, should we choose one? Because if we have to write bribery is a crime, then we are good to go, sir.
Of ethics.
Hey, madam.
What
What my video? What? I didn't know that is where. I didn't know that was the degree you were taking.
So when I said, "We see and fight Zimbabwe," it's a crime.
No. You have to solve the question. Yeah. Okay. Any other issue other than we end here?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So I was saying that with a bribe, can we not say negotiation for us to be on a win-win situation? Like both parties should win instead of one party winning and the other party losing. Because in this case, party A is getting 10 million when party B does not advertise. And so if I should say I'm entering into a negotiation with party B in order for him or her not to advertise, instead of calling it a bribe, how about that, please?
You are speaking like a typical Ghanaian, eh? When the thing is white, he says it looks like white. You see?
No, sir, this is business.
Yes, but that is bribery. You see, what it means that if you are influencing somebody to take a decision that the person will not independently take, you are inducing somebody to take a decision that the person will not normally take. That's bribery. So I can't call it a different name. In Ghana, they call it different names like facilitation fee. What is the name? Association
appearance
fee.
fee.
Appearance fee. So many they call it so many names, but then the thing is that it's bribery. Hannah Alagbe.
Yes, sir. I wanted to say something to kind of counter what Bless was saying. If you want to call it negotiation, it's still the same thing. No one is losing because at the end, the other guy will be getting something in addition to what is originally getting. So it's still a form of negotiation. If you don't want to call it bribery, then it's still a form of negotiation because at the end, you are not getting the full $10 million. You're taking part of it for him. So it's still the same.
And you know that once there's a reduction in the level of adverts, it goes to harm customers because customers will not be able to make informed choices because they will not know the available alternatives that which are there on the market, and therefore they may not be able to make informed choices. Why are they not making informed choices? Because somebody is manipulating the market in terms of information flow. You see? And that is where regulators need to keep their eyes.
Okay.
Musa, your hand is up,
Yeah,
and this is the last point.
Yeah, look, well, the word is clear that rivals. There's no rival who is going to side with you to make more profit than he does. So it's only bribery that will take you through that level. Thank you.
That ends our letter for today. Tomorrow, God's willing, we continue. Somebody, let me see who is. Okay, so can I change the length of landscape so that it fits in? Okay, that's fine. But you have already finished. Or you want it now? We have already finished the lecture. So thank you so much. Okay. Course willing, we shall meet tomorrow.
Okay,
I
Doc.
think also in the afternoon to continue with our discussion. Tomorrow we shall play other games and see how it goes. I wish you all the best. Please take good care of yourself. Don't go to Ablikmanot.
Thank you, Doc.
Okay, sir.
We are grateful,
Today is
Doc.
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Have
sir.
a nice
Oh,
weekend.
thank you to you. Yeah, may our Lord Jesus Christ bless and keep us all. Amen.
Amen. Sir, how was our exam?
Bye.
Please kindly look at our word for
Paper
us.
for you. I
Amen.
beg.
Amen. But is there anybody that has sent me work that I have not looked at it? I've already looked at all the words that have been sent. Is there anyone that has any way that I have not reviewed? As far as I'm concerned, I've reviewed all the works, unless those students who sent the unethical emails, and I've told you what an unethical email is. You can't enter somebody's house without a knock. So if you send me an email without a subject line and without message in the content space, I will not open that email, let alone to read it. So if you have sent me a good email and you have not received feedback, let me know.
Okay, sir. Please,
And you can put it on the
kindly check.
page. You
Sir,
can
what
put
about
it.
the main exam?
As for the
Okay,
main
sir.
exam, they are currently auditing the results. You know, before your results are released to you, it goes through series of audits. So we have finished the marking long time ago. They are currently auditing it, so you get your results. Don't be afraid. I don't think there's any cause for alarm, man. Okay, I wish you well. Be good.
Dog, we beg.
Two of us are
Dog, we
celebrating our
beg.
birthday today. Oh.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thank you,
Sir, did
dog.
you all pass your paper, please?
Sorry.
Sir, did we all pass your paper?
Currently, I don't have access to the file, but I don't remember anybody failing. I don't. There's
Thank
nothing.
you, dog. You are the
Thank
best.
you, thank you, thank
I
you.
don't remember any. I don't. I'm saying I don't remember. I'm not saying anybody don't feel. I'm saying I don't remember.
But dog, I like your picture. Oh, your picture.
Where's my picture?
Oh, you've taken
Okay.
it off.
My picture. Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Oh, okay. Greetings to your wife and the kids.